India's eyeing the third largest economy spot by 2030. Can it hit $10 trillion and reshape global markets? Let's unpack Vision 2030, the blueprint for India's economic leap. Vision 2030 is India's roadmap for 8 to 9% annual GDP growth, doubling its economy by 2030. From post-independence struggles to the fifth largest economy today, India's got potential, but execution is key to avoid the middle-income trap. 3 pillars drive this vision. Digital dominance, UPI's 100 billion plus transactions and AI 5G growth make India a tech exporter. Manufacturing might. Make in India 2.0 pushes semiconductors and EVs, aiming for $100 billion investments and 100 million jobs. Green growth, 500 gigawatts renewables by 2030, plus $1.4 trillion in smart cities and highways connect India sustainably. These pillars fuel inclusive, scalable growth. Challenges? Plenty. Geopolitical tensions could cut FDI, needing to double from $85 billion. Inequality and climate risks threaten stability. Execution, via reforms and upskilling, is make or break for this $10 trillion dream. India's rise reshapes trade, attracting $1 trillion FDI and boosting corridors like IMEEC. A 600 million strong middle class by 2030 drives $5 trillion consumption, luring global brands while exporting EVs and pharma. India's a model for emerging markets, balancing global economic power. For you, invest in tech, EVs, renewables,
for you, invest attracting $20 FDI and boosting corridors like IMEEC. Consumer boom next. 500 like IMEEC. Consumer boom next. 500
for you, invest attracting $20 FDI. Investors or innovators. Like, subscribe. 500